I'm back from lunch. So we'll continue from where we left off. Okay, which is displaying of the players and the number of trophy cups that they have. Okay, so before we limit the number of gamers that we display at any one time, okay, we have to keep track of the game objects that we have created for each and every player / gamer. So for this method, okay, I will modify it to include the gamer that we are creating the username for. So star gamer to display. Okay. So over here, let's see. Okay, star gamer to display dot add. Oh, sorry. Dot created game objects dot add. Okay, char object. Okay. Add to array list so that can destroy later if needed. Excuse me. Okay, so over here, just in case, we need to check if this game object is still around. So if it's still around, then we will destroy it. Oh man, I really don't like this. Okay. So coming back here, okay, we have to so over here, let's use display username at position. Okay, let's move this over here. Okay, and for this we will pass in star gamer, which is your data. Yep. Okay, so we move the displaying of your username on the right into this block over here. Okay. Okay, so next, okay, what we'll do next is over here. So here we will pass in star gamer to display. So the next method that we need to change is display number at position. Okay, so that is either your wins or your losses, or the number of trophy cups that you have. Okay, but we do need to pass in the star object that you have. Oh, sorry, the created game objects for each gamer. Oh, okay, so over here, yeah. So besides the gamer BG and the username and the link icon, yeah. Okay, we need to add the link icon. Creator game objects dot add this link icon. Okay, so this is so that when we want to destroy them, we can just loop through this and destroy everything in this created game objects array list. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so before we do another test run, okay, let's go back to the main menu. Okay, so over here, okay, we have to destroy. Okay, so this method is called when you want to return to the main menu. So over here we have to destroy everything that we have created. Okay, when we display the data for all of the gamers, or the information of the gamers that we have retrieved from the server. Okay, testing. Okay, so destroy everything that was created to display the information of the gamers, that was retrieved from the server. So to do that, we have to go through each and every gamer. Okay, so using a simple for loop here, count. Okay, game object. Oh, what the? This object equals to game object. Oh, before that, okay, star gamer. This gamer equals to star gamer. Okay, star gamers list I. Okay, over here we need another sort of count. Okay, to look through the number of created game objects for this gamer. Okay, dot count. So you could call this a double loop. Okay. Okay, so I'll be using another for loop here. Object count. Oh, what the hell? Okay. Yeah, so I'm more used to having the curly brackets. Oh, okay, here we'll use Z or Z instead of I. Okay. Game object. Oh shit. Okay, this gamer dot created game objects z. Okay, so we will destroy it. Dot game object. Okay, so by looping through each and every of the game object, of the array list that contains the list of game objects that were created to display the information for each and every gamer, it will destroy them so that they will not appear when we go back to the main menu or the starting menu. Okay. Yep. Okay, so over here. Okay, so at the end of it, when we have finished looping both of the for loops, okay, we'll just clear the star gamers list array list. Okay, and that should do it. Okay, so let me pause the background music. Okay, and let's give this a test run. Okay, so now when the game displays the list of players, okay, and when we press the escape key, okay, everything should disappear and this menu should show again. Okay, so let me just go to multiplayer now. Okay, so we have all of the players and the information here. Okay, so when we press escape, okay, notice that everything is destroyed. Okay, and now they are displayed again. Yeah. So the next thing that we need to do is to limit the number of so as you can see, currently it's displaying everything, so we need to limit it to 5 at once. Okay, so we need to think of how we can do that. Yeah. Okay, and we will also need a special background image. So besides this, which is kind of boring or gray in color, we need a different color for this image so that we can show where you are in terms of the list of players. Yeah. Okay, but for now, let's try to get the list of players to not display everything at once, but just 5 at once. So this means that we need to do some filtering and maybe something that's similar to page managing. So we can think of each page as a list of 5 players. So that each time you scroll or maybe press up or down, okay, the page will move either it will either show the next 5 players in terms of ranking, or the top next 5 players that are above what you are currently shown, so either up or down. So depending on which page you are at. Ouch. Okay, so before we start doing that, okay, let me go to the constants file over here, or the constants class. Okay, so this is where I store all of the constant values here. So if I change something here, it will affect a lot of places. So it's more convenient to have a constants file. So what I'm going to do here is to create a constant number, which I will name it as players to display per page. Okay, so for now we'll set it at 5. Okay. Okay, so I don't think we need any comments here, as this is rather it explains itself. Yeah. Okay, so coming back to the multiplayer scene manager script. Okay, we need to modify the area where we retrieve the value or the number of players here. So here. Okay, so the number of players or all the information for the players are all in the star gamers list. Okay, so we need to sort of change this up to be able to have only 5 at once. Okay. Okay, so there are many ways we can go about doing this. Okay, the first of which is to create a new class that manages the two array lists that we need. So one is this, which is what is used to display on the screen, and we need another array list sort of as a backup to store all of the players' data in it, so it's not used for displaying. Yeah. So based on the number of gamers that we retrieve from the server, okay, and since we are only limiting to 5 per page, okay, the number of pages will change as well. Okay, that means that we need to keep track of which page we are currently at. Yeah. Okay, so let's move up to over here. Okay, let's create a new number or integer, and let's call it current page index. Okay, let's change it to current gamers view page index. Okay, so by default it will be 0, or rather it will start from 0. Okay. So this means that we have to actually okay, we might need to display the information for the gamers outside of this loop. But it shouldn't affect the performance of the game that much, so it should be fine. Okay. Yeah. So let's create a new array list over here. Okay, so public array list all gamers list. Okay, so this is used to display to screen the list of gamers at any one time. Okay, and this is used to store all of the gamers data that was retrieved from the server. Yep. Okay, so over here, okay, let's we have to initialize the array list first. So all gamers goes to new array list. Okay. Yeah, so over here, okay, we'll add it to all gamers list dot add this star gamer. Okay, so we will not add it to the star gamers list here. Or we should. Okay. So what I'll do here is to just add the first 5 players. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'll just add the first 5 players to the star gamers list, which we'll use for displaying. Oh, the first 4 players actually. Okay, because we have to include your own data as well. So when we add that, it will be 5. Yeah. Okay. Okay, add everything to an array list so we can keep track plus use it as a backup. So that we can display the first few gamers. Yeah. Okay, we'll just add the first 5 gamers. So if after we exit this loop, we check to see if your data has been added to this list. If not, we'll remove the last entry to this list and we'll add yours in. Yeah. Okay, wait. Okay, so which information should we show first? No. Okay, we shouldn't add it in unless it's close to the top 5 or these first 5 gamers that we are going to show in terms of the number of trophy cups. Okay, if not, the ranking or the sorting will be weird. Yeah. Okay, so here we will do a simple check. So if I is less than say 5, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Or maybe here we'll just use the constants file. Okay, constants dot number page, yeah, players to display per page. So we don't need to remember this value, we can just go straight to the constants file and we can change the value here. So that's why this constants file is kind of for convenience. Okay. Okay, let me just move the comment above, so we don't need to scroll to the right. Yeah. Okay, so when we look at the multiplayer view now, we should only get 5 players. Okay, for now. Okay, let me maximize this. Okay, let me pause this as well. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. Okay, it's still showing everything, so that's not what we want. Oh, okay. Yeah. So, okay, the reason why it was showing everything is because we have not moved this method away. Okay, so let's move it away. Okay, and over here we will create another for loop. So star gamers list.count So we'll go through the list of star gamers. Okay, so this star G, or this star gamer goes to star gamer. Okay, star gamers list I. Okay, and we can paste the method here. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, we might need to move this block away. Okay, for the creation of a new method, so that we can just call this new method to display any single page of the list. Okay, so depending on your current page index. Okay, but for now, okay, let's test this part out. Yeah. Okay, you might be able to hear some background noise, but I hope not, because this could be a rather noisy environment at the moment. So if this works, we only have 5 displayed. Yep. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So who is your boss? Okay, so just for testing, so notice that the first player has WHOISYOURBOSS 13 characters. So just nice. Okay, because the maximum number of characters that you can have for your username is 13. Okay, 1, 3. By the way, some of these players are created while I was testing the multiplayer part of creating the username, but some are created by you or other players who have brought the game and created their username. So what I'm going to do next is to, okay, let me just cut this area. Display data on gamers based on current page index. Okay, so over here, oops. Okay, let me just display. Okay, gamers info on page. So we need to pass in the page index. Yeah. And that's about it. Okay, so we can cut this area and paste it back here. So based on the page index, okay, we will display the list of gamers. Okay, so first thing first, Okay, we also pass in a boolean to say if need to process. Okay, so what this means is that okay, we don't need to clear anything, or that we don't need to change what's in the star gamers list, or if need to process. Okay, so over here, so display page 0, false. Okay, because we are indeed starting from page 0. Okay, so page 0 is the first page. Okay, so if need to process, okay, what this means is that we need to remove everything from the star gamers list and grab the next 5, or if there are less than 5 remaining, okay, we'll grab whatever's left and we'll put it in from the all gamers list, and we'll put it in the star gamers list. Okay, so if we need to process this, okay, if need to clear star gamers list, comma, and grab the next or previous few gamers data based on current page index. So the current page index will change. Okay, we will either increment it or decrement it. Okay, based on whether you press up or down. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so if we need to process it, so for example, if the current page index is 0 and we need to show the next page, so let's see. Okay, we'll clear everything from star gamers list. Okay, so to do that, we also need to destroy the game objects that were created and related to the star gamers that we have displayed. Okay, so over here, okay, so I'm just going to reuse this portion here, okay, by moving it away and creating a new destroy method for it. Okay, so we have to put it in the related the same region. So over, let's say here. Okay, so public. Okay, void destroy game objects for displayed gamers. Okay, so we'll call this method over here. Okay, and we will also call it, so we added this new method and we call it from where we want to return to the main menu. So next we will call it from where we display the information here. So if we need to process this, okay, we will first need to destroy whatever has been displayed. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so first destroy what is already displayed for the current few gamers. Okay, and next based on the page index. Okay, so if it's page 2, so depending on which index. Okay, so there's a little bit of math involved here. Okay, just give me a second, I'll be right back. Where's my card? Okay, I'm back. Okay, so what we need to do next, okay, so based on your current page or the next or the new page index that you have navigated to, okay, so start index equals to or gamers list dot count percentage, which is the modulus operator. Page index. Okay, so for example, if we have not page index, we should actually use constants players to display per page. Okay, so for example, if we have 15 gamers, if we have 15 gamers and we are displaying 5 per page, this will give us 3. Okay, so modulus is actually it gives you the remainder. So if that's the case, we should just use divide. Okay, since we do not need the remainder. Hey, welcome to the live stream, Wolf King. How was your last weekend? Okay, so if for example we have 15 gamers retrieved from the server, okay, and we are displaying 5 per page, that will give us 3 pages. Okay, so 3 pages. So using this, okay, we can multiply it by the page index. Okay, so let me think. So we get 3 from this. So if the page index is 2, okay, so if the page index is 1, okay, we'll start from 3. Okay, but if the page index is 2, we'll start from 6. Okay, but that means we have to actually minus 1 to get the right index here. Okay. Okay, so that means for the page index we will need to so in addition to incrementing it depending on whether you are going to the next page or moving back to the previous page, we also need to add +1 to it. Okay, which we can do it here. Okay, +1. Okay, so using the start index, okay, so get the index to start grabbing the next or previous few gamers data. Yeah. Okay, so based on this start index, okay, we will grab the next few gamers data from the array list where we have all the gamers data. Okay, so using a simple for loop. Okay, so for so over here we'll grab depending on how many gamers we are displaying per page. Excuse me. Okay, so using the start index, okay, so I can actually use the start index here, or maybe let's see, start index I equals to start index I less than start index plus I plus plus. Yeah, so now using I, so star gamer retrieve gamer equals to hey, welcome back, clones. Okay, just give me a second to check that link that you have just sent me. Oh, hey, this is really cool. Did you create that pathfinding yourself? So star gamer, all gamers list. Okay, star gamers list dot add retrieve gamer. Star gamers list. Okay, I was joking. I do in fact. Okay, I do indeed remember this. Okay, so I do have some good news for you. I might need to add some pathfinding for the multiplayer. Okay, so that is only if that's only for quick matches. Okay, because for the multiplayer, the plan is to have to add either the option for you to search for a quick match or to create a game room where you can play with your friends. Okay, but for quick matches, sometimes if in the worst case scenario there are less than 4 players online, okay, that's when we will need to retrieve just the data on the other players and use AI as the multiplayer opponent or enemies. Okay, so that's the worst case scenario, which is quite possible. Yeah, so in that case I will need to add sort of pathfinding. So that is the good news that I have for you. I do hope that it's good news though. Oh. Hey, that's cool. Yeah, I am using rigid bodies too for the best for an experience that's closer to real life physics, if you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so if I is less than or gamers this dot count, yeah, so we have to make sure that this does not go out of range or out of bounds. Okay, I'm just checking out what you just shared. Okay, and yeah, wait for it to load while I continue with here. Count. Okay, -1. Okay, if not out of range. Okay, that is if within the number of all gamers retrieved from server. Okay, for some reason it's taking forever to load. Okay, so for now I will just focus on here. Yeah. Okay. So now we need to call this method. Okay, so we will do it in the updates method here. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, so it finally loaded. Yeah, I'm looking at it from my MacBook Pro on the right. Oh, okay, it's kind of interesting where you have also added jetpack and the ledge grab as well. Yeah. Yeah, I assume when you click on the arrow, it will sort of expand and show everything. Oh, okay, that's cool. Oh. Yeah. So for Stellar Stars, wall jumping is one of the things you can learn when you level up. So for multiplayer, yeah. So for multiplayer, we'll either randomly assign those level up specs to you, or you can choose from a few of them, okay, to bring with you to the multiplayer arena. Yeah. Okay, so over here, what I'm gonna do here is to check for when you press up or down, okay, to scroll the list of players. So else if input.get key down key code dot up arrow. Okay, so for now let's try down arrow first. Okay, let's let's check for the up arrow as well. So currently we'll do the keyboard version first before moving on to the game controller version as well. Okay, so if input.get key up or down, down. Key code dot down arrow. Okay, current gamers view page index we will minus by 1. Okay, else if input dot get key down key code dot up arrow. Okay, in this case we will increment it. Okay, and this is where we will display the page, the gamers based on which page you are at. So we'll pass in the page index and we'll say that we need to process it. Okay, display the data of a few gamers based on which page we are currently at. Oh. Okay, that'll be cool. But I might not get to testing it until I have at least gotten a basic prototype of the real-time multiplayer sort of going on, or at least working. Okay, that's when I'll be able to test it. So it will be at least around another 2 weeks before then. Yeah, estimated around at least another 2 weeks before then. Okay, so if press up, down arrow key, oh, okay, we also need to make sure that okay, the page index does not become less than 0. So let me just make sure that it does not become less than 0. Oh, okay, so actually we should increment it when we press down, and we should decrement it when we press up. Okay, because the gamers are sort of sorted based on their trophy cups and in an ascending order. Okay, starting from the bottom or the last item of the list. Okay, so we need to start from the first page, which is the top players on this current league. So if current gamers view page index is less than 0, okay, we'll set it to 0. Minus, oh wait, up arrow minus, yeah, okay. Okay, to make sure that the current page index doesn't fall below 0. Yeah. Okay, if down was press. Okay, if up was press. Okay, so let me just give this a test, or rather let me just test this out to see if it works or not. Hey, welcome back, Anasazi. Yeah, yeah, I'm back from lunch since almost an hour ago. So I have already been streaming for the past hour. Okay, so let's test this out. So now we should display 5. Yeah. Hey, thanks, man. I did enjoy my lunch, and I did manage to grab some guava or fruit before that. Okay, as I've read that it's actually healthier to eat some fruits before your actual meal. So that's what I usually tend to do for lunch and sometimes for dinner as well. Okay, so now, yeah, now we are implementing the pages to display the gamers 5 at once. Okay, so right now we are displaying the first 5. Okay, so what happens if I press down, up, down, 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 down? Oh, okay. Okay, so we have some errors here where the trophy card was not being destroyed and the index is kind of going out of range here. Oh, excuse me. So notice that the information is changing. It's changing because I'm pressing the up and down arrow key. Okay, but we have some out of range errors here. Yeah. So the numbers were not getting destroyed properly. So let's make sure we do that. Double up of the numbers. Okay, yeah. So because they were not, the previous page was not destroyed properly, so that also caused the overlapping. So let's make sure we do that. Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this means that we need to we need to actually link the numbers and the we need to link the numbers and the trophy cups to each and every gamer. So let me just over here pass in the comma star gamer to display, and in this method, okay, star gamer, okay, star gamer to display. Okay, so star gamer to display dot created game objects dot add. Okay, this will link the number of trophy cups, okay, each digit to the star gamer, to each gamer, so that when we destroy maybe the first page of gamers, it will also destroy the numbers. Okay, so okay, same thing here. Created game objects dot add trophy cup object. Okay, so we need to modify wherever we call this method. Okay, so we'll pass in the star gamer here. Okay, but we might need to, because this is for because we're using the same method to display your information on the right. So I will need to modify this method again. Okay, it's kind of messy, but at least we are reusing the same method. So if add to gamer, so over here, okay, if add to gamer, okay, so same thing here. Yeah, so it's kind of messy, but display number here. Okay, here we set as true. False. Okay, and next we have to make sure that the current page index does not go out of range. Okay, so over here, yeah. Okay, yeah, so over here, if current gamer's view page index is greater than all gamers list dot count -1. Okay, we need to use -1 because the index starts from 0. Okay. Okay, so that should fix the going out of range. Okay, ensure that the index does not go out of range. Hey, what's up, Dev Migat? How was your last weekend? Okay, let me just pause the background music. Okay, now let's test this again. Okay, and hopefully this time we will not see any errors. Okay, so this is the first page. Okay, so now I'm going to press the down arrow key. Okay, so remember that this is page 2. Okay, so if I press up again, oh, down again, up, up. Okay, that's weird. It's not showing the first item, if that's what it means. Oh shit. Oh, okay, so if we have reached the last page, we should not allow, we should not make any changes. Yeah. And there's a bug with the first item not showing after we have moved away from the first page. Yeah. By the way, I saw your username, Anasazi. So currently I think you are at page 2. But don't worry, as everyone's trophy cup is still 0. Except for the first player whose name is not showing. Okay, at least now we do not have any overlapping errors. Okay, but there's one thing that we need to change, and that is when we reach the last page. Okay, so over here, okay, so if show another page equals to false, okay, equals to true. So I'll create another boolean here, so that okay, we can decide if we want to show the changes to the page, okay, when we navigate up or down. And one of the situations where we do not want the page to change is when you are at the first page and when you are at the last page. No, when you are at the first page and you are trying to go up, and when you are at the last page and you're trying to go down. Yeah. Okay. So down arrow. So over here, I'm gonna move this above. So if before incrementing it, it is already more than the max number of or the last number or the last index, okay, then we do not increment it. So else and we do not show, or rather we do not make any changes to the current page of displayed gamers. Don't change what is already shown on this page, since already at last page. Yes. Okay, that is a good reminder. So I did in fact wanted to do that, but okay, forgotten about it. So I have to be honest about this. Okay, I really forgotten about this. Yeah, so let me get this page displaying thing working first, and then we will display the ranking. Yeah, so okay, thank you for reminding me. Okay. Yeah. So when I first started working on Stellar Stars, okay, I was sort of quite disciplined in keeping an updated to-do list, but the past week has not been that updated, so I have to get back to doing that. So my discipline level is maybe drop a little, so I need to bring it back up. Yeah. Okay, so up arrow minus if less than 0. Okay. So same thing here. else we will decrement it. Maybe, but yeah, if I say it is, then it's just an excuse. So yeah, so I wouldn't say that it's due to that reason, but yeah. Okay, if show another page was to false, don't change us. Okay, since already at first page. Okay. Oh, okay. So okay, I need to go to the the display gamers info on page. Okay. Yeah, but what is important is that I learned from it and I start to be more. I start to keep the list more updated from today. Yeah, I'm not gonna say tomorrow because that is just procrastinating. So later after live streaming, I will start on it right away. Yeah. Okay, so over here, okay, what I'm gonna do is if page index is 0, start index is 0. Okay. Or if page index is greater than 0, and here, okay, let me just cut this line and let me paste it here. Yeah. Okay, start index equals to. Okay. Okay, so this is where okay, yeah. Okay, I know how you I think I understand what you're going through, and try not to cram everything at the last minute, because that was what I used to do. And depending on the subject, it might or might not help, but it's always better to start early. Okay. Yeah, so if we are not showing the first page, then we will have to calculate where we start grabbing the information of the gamers to display. Yeah. Okay, I will have to say that some habits are really hard to, some bad habits are really hard to get rid of. So it's not something that happens overnight. Yeah, so if you want to change that, yeah, sometimes you got to have some patience. Yeah, so keep at it, keep doing what you're doing. Pause. Oh, and by the way, I'm looking forward to your sort of space game prototype, since I remember that you tweeted that you really like space. Okay, down, up. Yes. Down, up, up. Down, all the way. No shit. Okay, down. Oh damn it. Okay, still going beyond the last page. But not for the first page though. Okay, so we have retrieved the missing first item. Okay, but for the last page, oh, okay, there's another bug as well. So if I'm at the first page and I press up once, okay, I will have to press down twice to move to the next page. So that is a bug. And we also have the bug where we are able to scroll past the last page. Yeah, so that's a bug as well. Hey, what's up, Duck, Light, and T-Doc? How was your weekends? Okay, so we still have to check the page index here. Okay, down and up. Less than 0. Oh, less than equals to 0. Okay. Do you want the serious answer? Do you want the fun answer? Okay, greater than or equals to, oh, okay. Okay, so for the fun answer, I'm trying to use magic to move some items up and down, depending on which page of the spellbook we are looking at. Well, not actually spellbook, but a list of information on gamers, okay, who are in the same range of trophy cups as you are. Yeah. So this is for the multiplayer part of Stellar Stars. Okay, which as you can see is still a work in progress. Okay. So if I press down, oh damn it. Okay, so we have fixed. Okay, so we have at least fixed one of the bugs here. So this is the first page. So if I keep pressing up, nothing happens, and if I press down once, it moves to the second page. Okay. Okay, so we just have to prevent it from moving out, from moving past the last page, which is this. Okay. Oops. Okay, if show another page is false. Oh my god. Okay, I know why it isn't working. As in, I know why we are able to scroll past the last page, and that is because, oh my god. Hey, what's up, Ryu? Ryu? How was your weekend? Oh my god, okay. So that is because we are using this, but instead we should use the number of pages. Okay. And we can calculate the number of pages based on how many items we are displaying each page and how many items we have. So we shouldn't be using this. Okay, so let me just here. Okay, let me create a new integer or new number, and let's call it number of okay, let's call it gamers view number pages. Okay. Okay, so over here we will calculate the number of pages. Okay, so based on the okay, let me just based on the number of gamers, so all gamers list dot count, and we will use the modulus operator here, divide by constant. Oops. Constants dot players to display per page. Oh. Hey, good to know that. Okay, by the way, is your name supposed to be similar to or related to Street Fighter? Okay. So going back to the update methods. Okay, so gamers number of pages -1. So if there are 3 pages, we will go from index 0, 1, and 2. Yeah. Okay, so I don't think there's a need to go greater than or equals to. Okay, doesn't make a difference. I knew it. Yeah. So yeah, that's a good play on the words of the name, because when you pronounce it, it does sound like real. Or Liu, yeah, Ryu, Liu, yeah. So both are rather similar. Okay. So let's scroll down all the way to the shit. Oh, okay. So it seems that it does not. Okay, we have to also take into consideration the remainder of the page. Okay, so that means that okay, so okay, greater than instead of yeah. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, so even though sometimes when you do some coding or development or programming, you need some sort of simple math. Okay, sometimes you just have to keep trying. 2, 3, 4. Oh, damn it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay, so that means okay, so that means we need to check for any remainders. Okay, just in case we retrieve a number that's not a multiple of 5, which is the number of players that we are displaying every page. So over here, if our gamers list dot count, yeah. So I'm missing the last page. Okay, thanks for pointing that out. Okay, so not equals to 0. Okay, we'll add a last page to this. Okay. So if there are some remainder, so we should actually just use, yeah. Okay, so this should be a remainder instead of reminder. Okay, add 1 page. So I'm not sure if this works or not, but okay, let's try it. Ouch. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Yes! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. It's page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, and page 5. Page 4, page 3, page 2, page 1. Yes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 to page 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 to page 1. Oh. Finally. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so just to test the sorting of the trophy cups. Okay, let me just edit some of the trophy cups using the server's database. Hey, what's up, Cycles XXY? How's your weekend? Okay, so I have edited some of the I have to emphasize that this is just for testing, so I will not go and edit your data in the server for no reason. And okay, so the values that I've edited are those that are used for testing, so they are not your username accounts, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, yeah, so there we have it. Okay, I've changed some of the values from 0 to at least some numbers. Okay, so the order is descending from the top, so the player on the top will usually have the highest trophy count, highest number of trophy cups. So this is just once. Okay, so tada, you are number 1 for now. Okay, so let's see, 1, 2, 6, 14, 68. Oh, okay. Hey, I'm glad that I actually 68, 54, 14. Oh, wait a second. Okay, so I'm glad that I actually edited the values because we might have discovered another bug here. Hey, don't worry, man. Okay, everyone's trophy cups will be resetted to 0. Okay, when the actual multiplayer is added. Okay, so even my own account will be resetted to 0. Okay, so 1 to 6 down, up. Okay, let's see. Okay, so there's a weird bug here. Okay, wait. Okay, let me run this again. Okay, so there's a small bug that's not that obvious here, where the first player is disappearing again. Hey, what's up, potato gravy? Hey, that's a really delicious name. Welcome as well. There you go. There you go, Rolf, come. Okay, up, down. Okay. So, the bug was because we did not actually manage to sort of clear the entire list, so that created a sort of corrupted array list that we have to fix. Yeah. So the sorting is actually correct, where the player with the highest number of trophy cups is on the top. Okay, now I'm just resetting everyone's trophy cup to 0. Ooh. Hey, what's up, Mega Big Bird? I assume that's what the M stands for. Okay, so there's a bug that we have to fix here, which is actually quite critical if the ranking changes when you exit from the multiplayer and go back to the starting menu and go back to the multiplayer again. So we have to make sure that we destroy everything related to multiplayer here. As in, we have to clear the entire list here. Yeah. So when we return to the main menu, oops. Okay, let me just search for it. Okay, main menu here. Oh yeah, so that's why. Okay, what's up, Duncan Ho? How was your weekend? Okay, so we do have to clear the list of gamers. Okay, that means everything over here. Okay, so that dot count greater than 0, so that if there's any update since your last visit to the multiplayer site, which could be even as fast as a few seconds, because in multiplayer things will change really fast, so we have to clear everything just in case. Hell. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's not do it here. Okay, but instead, okay, let's make sure that we clean up the mess. Okay, maybe I shouldn't call it a mess, but let's make sure that we clean it up whenever we exit and return to the main menu over here. Okay. Okay, so clear all the array lists. See, so that was what was causing the bug. Okay, yeah, so for today's live stream we'll stop here, but I'm glad that I've managed to chat with everyone, with you all here, and we have added quite a lot of stuff today. Maybe not a lot, but we have fixed quite a number of bugs while doing so. So okay, the next thing that we need to show is, yeah, okay, as Anastasia has mentioned, the number which represents your ranking, so from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so on. Yeah, so that's the next thing that we need to do. So I hope that you have enjoyed today's live stream, and look forward to the live stream coming tomorrow. Okay, so I've resetted everyone's trophy to 0. Okay, but to the left of each player, we have to place a number. So okay, so that means for each image, or for each placeholder image, okay, I will change it, and I will create another section to the left of it, so that we can place the ranking. So maybe once. Okay, from the top, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so on. Okay, sure man. Do share if you have any good stuff, or any good things. Okay, let me pause this. Okay, and I might just move the data, or rather the information for your character or for your account, slightly to the left. Okay, slightly closer to whatever is showing here on the left. Yeah, so that both of them are centralized in the center. then of course I will also create a special background image in another color, okay, which will represent your ranking as compared to the rest of the other players. That's cool. Yeah. Hey, thanks for sharing, man. Hey, I will definitely check that out. Yeah. Hey, thanks for sharing. Yeah, so I really have to go off now as yeah. Okay, I will try to stream more often this week, but I will definitely be streaming tomorrow, so at the same time, but not now, but around 2 to 3 hours ago. Yeah. Oh, hey, sure, man. Hey, that's a great idea. Yeah. Okay, I will see you. You have a great afternoon as well, and I'll see you within 24 hours. Yeah. Hey. Oh. Oh, I just saw that. Hey, thanks for following rogue-lite. I hope you like that animation. Yeah. Okay, so see you guys soon within 24 hours. Okay, have a great day and cheers.